So I just finished talking about mood management oils, and alongside those, I also like to talk about the emotional aromatherapy kit. So, I said that most people start with home essentials and the top 10 oils, which are good for physical and emotional health. But then we have these two kits, mood management and emotional aromatherapy, that are really designed just for emotional well-being. So to kind of cap that into 2 minutes is going to be tough, but I'll start. So emotional aromatherapy kit can be purchased in roller balls like these, or as pure oils. So these are touch oils. They can be rolled directly on. They're already diluted. So the first one in the kit is called Console. And this is just when you need consoling, you put it on. So this is Laura's favorite oil out of the emotional aromatherapy kit. Just apply it to your chest. I find with all emotional oils, I apply them to my chest. That's like over your heart. It's protecting you. You can smell it easily then, so you get the aromatherapy benefit of it too. So Console. Forgive is probably one of my favorites, and the reason I love Forgive is twofold. One, I'm a science geek, and there was actually a study with some doctors at a hospital, and out of all the emotional oils, Forgive lowered stress the most, and they reckon that's because we all have someone to forgive. Either we're forgiving someone else or we're forgiving ourselves. So I love it as a mom. We're tough on ourselves, and I particularly like to give 100% to everything, and there's just not enough of me to give 100%. to every single thing I do. So I love Forgive because it just helps remind you that you're doing the best you can, and frankly that's good enough. Peace. This is what we use on our boys. So this is really good for children and good for adults too. But if you get anxious feelings or you struggle to stay calm, Peace is the oil you're going to want to turn to. So our boys will actually come. I'll be like, do you want an oil? And they'll actually say, and this is their two, they don't talk a lot. They'll say Peace, and they'll take it. They'll unscrew the lid themselves. They'll pull their shirt down, and they'll put it on their own chest. It's really super sweet. So this is probably both of their favorites oils, although one of them starting to swap to another I'll tell you about in a minute. Cheer. This is Ian's favorite emotional oil, I think. He hasn't told me that, but he uses it a lot. Cheer we use if we feel like we need to feel cheerful, or if we're in a good mood. It's a nice perfume, so Cheer is a really nice one. It was Laura's favorite for a while, but she's just loving Console. All right, Passion. Passion is if you want to feel passionate about something. So if you've got a project, apply some passion. If you are going out on a date, apply some passion. I use Passion as a perfume personally, but surprisingly our boys have been turning to Passion lately. We let them choose what they want to use, and they don't say Passion, but they pick it out of the box. So that's just a nice all around. It's kind of got a heavy perfume smell, so I just love it. And the last one is Motivate, and Motivate speaks for itself. We do use this in our house, although it's not one of our top oils. It has a really nice, just awakening scent, like peppermint, vanilla smell, and you just rub it on your chest. I like to, when I use it, rub it on my wrist. So I just rub it on my wrist, smell that. Again, if you've got a project you've got to do, you're just not feeling it, like say you've got to, do a video. You can apply it before you do the video. So those are the 6 emotional oils, and we've just really found those to be great. I'm finding a lot of people are starting to start with emotional oils, so especially women and the younger generation. There is a kit where you can buy these 6 oils in 5 ml bottles, and it comes with the diffuser, so with this Lumo diffuser that's over here in the background. And it's a pretty reasonable price point for a starting out option. So just keep that in mind. Thanks for tuning in, guys.